So I'd like to take just a moment each month to tell you a little bit about what's going on in the world of AI. This last couple times we've talked about technology things. This time I thought I'd talk about two real world use cases that our customers have implemented that I thought might be interesting to the rest of the group. So the first one is for one of our customers that offers a support portal that has 24/7 support options. So what they allow their users to do is to say, hey, I got an emergency issue in the middle of the night. And if they have a urgent issue, then it goes through a call procedure that'll wake up engineer, whatever it is, 2, 3 in the morning to take care of their situation. And the problem that they were having is that too many of their customers were marking things as urgent or severe and waking people up in the middle of the night that when the case by their criteria was not actually urgent. So this is causing a lot of consternation, as you can imagine, among the engineering team. Let me show you what we did to work with our customer to solve this. So the first thing we did is we built an AI model that can make the determination based on the customer's description of the problem, if it in fact meets the criteria for being a severe or urgent issue. So it's able to make three determinations. It's a verified emergency, which you can see at the top, in which case, fine, it'll call Ops Genie or one of the tools to alert the engineers. It sends what they call a Sev1 message back to the customer saying, hey, we're on top of it. We'll get back to you shortly. The other two possibilities are the AI determines that it's not an emergency, or maybe it's not sure. In either case, it will immediately downgrade the issue to what they call P2, and it'll send the customer a message saying, well, here's why we don't think this is a urgent issue. If we're wrong, please respond to this message with the word emergency. If they do, they'll take the customer's word, escalate it, and go through the verified emergency process. But if not, they'll go through the process of leaving it to the morning as a P2 issue for somebody to handle when the team comes back online. So the outcome of this has been much happier engineers. I think customers have learned that not everything is urgent and that they do have to treat the criteria seriously. And as a result, they also get better responses to the emergencies because everybody's validated it. Second case I wanted to talk to you about is a government compliance case. This is a customer that one of our customers that has a product that the FDA keeps an eye on. But it's also true for customers that have to do, let's say, exports of sensitive products or other things that require government oversight and compliance. So when they have a request, let's say, identifying a defect, that our AI will identify that this is a defective product issue, and it will send a form to the customer asking for detailed information. So they have like 6 or 7 required fields that need to be filled out. And when they receive this form back from the customer, all without any human intervention, then they actually update all the information, in this case in an FDA tracking sheet, and they generate the replacement order in their order entry system, and they send the email to the customer. So it was a very involved manual process before, going back and forth with the customer, getting more information, filling out sheets, making sure that they were compliant. And the whole thing is now completely automated. And I think it's been a much better process for all parties. So I think sometimes you hear about AI and you think, well, what could this thing actually do for me? But the combination of AI and process automation is able to do some really powerful things. So thank you.